chair.
Yeah, put him out in the middle. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's coming right at me. Well, oh, look at that. You salvaged that one. What's gonna get you? Oh, oh, look at that. You're getting the hang of it. Oh, look at that. You gotta practice your turning and hovering. We need like a really big room with super tall ceilings, huh? Apparently, if we take it outside when it's a little bit more cloudy, you can do it outside too.
Yeah.
It just doesn't like really bright sunlight. Ah! It's coming right for me!
I did. I lost location.
Oh, here. Gonna get you!
Ah.
Careful, don't hit too many things.